Good morning, children. Today we discuss vocabulary, that is opposites, then comprehension, I like the zoo, and composition, paragraph writing about an elephant. So let's discuss first vocabulary. Read the following words and their opposites. So children, please go through this. Let's discuss match the opposites. First one, day. So what is the opposite of day? Night. Hard, soft, asleep, awake, young, old, wet, dry, noisy, quiet, messy, clean, always, never, smile, cry, shout, whisper, summer, winter, below, above. So hope you understood this. Next we move to page number 97, that is comprehension, chapter 2, I like the zoo. So here you can see one poem about animals. Let's read that. I like the zoo, I like the zoo. The lions and the monkeys too. The giraffe's neck is very long. The elephants are big and strong. I like the zoo, I like the zoo. Tiger stripes yellow and black. Zebra stripes white and black. Mr. Camel has a bumpy back. All the ducks go quack, quack, quack. I like the zoo, I like the zoo. So here the child in the poem liked the zoo and he described each animal. So there are questions based on this animals. So let's check the answers of this exercise. The child dash going to the zoo. You can see the first line, I like the zoo. I like the zoo. That means the child likes going to the zoo. The second one, the giraffe has a dash neck. So look at the third line. The giraffe's neck is very long. So the answer is long. Third one, the elephant is a dash animal. Options are weak or strong. So which is the answer? Look at the fourth line in the poem. The elephants are big and strong. So the answer is strong. Then fourth one, the tiger has white or yellow and black stripes. So what is the color of stripes? So look at the second stanza, first line. Tiger stripes yellow and black. So the answer is yellow. Fifth one, the zebra has dash and black stripes. So next line is zebra stripes white and black. So the answer is white. The camel's back is dash, bumpy or straight. So the third line, Mr. Camel has a bumpy back. So the answer is bumpy. Seventh one, the dash like to quack. So who likes to quack? Ducks. The last one, the child likes the zoo because. So what's the answer? He likes to eat. He likes to see the animals. He is afraid of the animals. So what do you understand from this poem? The child likes the zoo. He likes to see the animals. So that is the answer. So hope you understood how do you answer this exercise. You have to read that poem carefully and answer the questions. Next we move to the paragraph writing about an elephant. So here you can see one paragraph about monkeys given there. You can also read that one. So here the question is, suppose you are an elephant. Write a paragraph about it. So all of you think that you are an elephant now and write the sentence about yourself. That is, my name is Dash. Here you can write any name like not your real name. My name is Jumbo, or any other names you can write here. I was born in a jungle or in a forest. I live with my family. My family has dash members, 5 members. Here also you can change the number. They are my father, my mother, brother, sister, and me too. We love to play with mud and water. I can spray water on my body. I do not like swarm of bees. Bees, all of you know that swarm of bees means a group of bees. People love me because I help them. I eat branches of trees, bamboo, and fruits. So try to learn it by heart. So hope you clear about this vocabulary, comprehension, and composition. Now our syllabus for the half year is over. Now get ready for the revision on next week. First we will start course book revision, chapter 1 to 5. Be ready for that. You can write down revision questions either in your rough copy or test copy. If you have a rough copy, then you can write down in that rough copy. If you not, then make a new copy for revision. So that's all today. Thank you.